Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes art challenges to try in your own style. Today I am making a collage band. You can try this art challenge with me by making a collage of a band in your own style. You will need paper, scissors, glue, magazines, scrap paper, and anything else that might help with your idea. I can begin my collage band by setting the stage. I glue a large sheet of scrap paper toward the bottom of my paper. For this example, I chose the color black for my stage. What color or colors might you choose? Next, I add background details that might be important. In my example, I use an orange scrap piece of paper to make an orange amplifier. When you make a collage, it is important to work from the background first before you move forward to the midground and to the foreground. The background may be a great place to see musical equipment, stage decor, or more. As I continue to work through the midground and foreground of my collage, try to notice how I use my collage skills of cutting, composing, and gluing to make an interesting design. As you notice these tricks, you can begin to think about how you might bring your band into action through the magic of collage. As you work and make your collage in your own style, be mindful of the fact that artists may work with mixed media. Feel free to use other art media and drawing tools to create the collage band of your dreams. My biggest piece of advice with this art challenge is to go into it with few expectations. Trust that you can create an amazing work of art with whatever you find available to use. Simply respond to what you find with creative care. And trust that you have everything you need to be successful. I know you're going to rock your collage band. My final step is to seal the collage with a thin layer of Modge Podge. This will help everything stick together nicely and will give my artwork a thin layer of shine and razzle-dazzle. This step is totally optional. If you are without any of the supplies listed in this video, just trust that you can still make an amazing work of art in your own style. I do hope that you try this art challenge for yourself. Simply make a collage of a band in your own creative style. When you're done, cherish and love your collage band with family and friends. Remember that yours may turn out more like a doodle than a masterpiece. Either way, take pride in being the cool creator that you are. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.